Hello Cougars, here are 3 sanity-saving browser tips in 66 seconds. Number 1. Use Google Chrome. Most classes will be using Google Classroom, so you need to use Google Chrome as your browser. Not Internet Explorer, not Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome. Not only because it works better, but also so that you'll be able to use the cool waffle. Waffles. Number 2. Pin important browser tabs. Accidentally closing a browser tab is very frustrating, so if there is a tab you want to keep open, pin it. Go to the tab, right-click, then select Pin. Right away you will see that the tab becomes much smaller and no longer has an X to close the tab with. You can still move around Google Classroom, but the tab isn't going anywhere. When you're ready to close, repeat. Go to the tab, right-click, then select Unpin. Number 3. If you do accidentally close a browser tab, you can get it back. I'm working with these 2 tabs and oops! Go to the blank area beside the tabs, right-click, and select Reopen Closed Tab. Then boom! It's back! In summary, use Google Chrome, pin important tabs, and reopen browser tabs you accidentally close. Go get 'em, Cougars!